like as friends, like I don't care about it. He's really cool. Like I told him, I said, you know, like I'm just I will stay up with it. And I just went to the past. Yeah. And I was like, I also think like you see.
So we were right.
Okay.
So are you gonna?
No, he didn't know that.
Oh, I was like, that's like.
No, I don't.
Okay.
My mom's gonna ask that.
We don't want to.
That's a good sound. Oh.
Oh, cool. That on goalie skates is impressive. I don't know much about hockey and goalie skates, but I know. I think he's next. He's next in line. He's next in line.
Hey, Charles.
Hey, Jen.
Hey. Where are you going to watch all those Kraken away games?
Cracking away games, making a push. I was thinking of coming here just because Rough and Tumble is the home of Circling Seattle Sports, only if that's okay with you.
I mean, I love that idea. Hope to see you here.